What's up, guys? Welcome back to another exciting episode, a vlog, whatever you want to call it, of my channel. Haven't made a video in a long time. Last time you guys saw a video, I was working on the S2000 or something like that, but things kind of got a little crazy in my life, and just didn't bother picking up the camera. But now we're making a video because I actually picked up a side job. Customer wanted me to wrap their cars, and I know some of you guys have been wanting to know and see more wrap videos, so I've already started this car this weekend. Today's Monday, and I just want to show you guys the progress, what we're using, what car it is, and all of that stuff to look out for. Probably gonna do time-lapse videos in between, and maybe talk about things to look out for if you guys are planning to wrap your own cars. But I'm very excited to show you guys this because I was a little skeptical about it. I still am, but so far the progress on this car that I'm wrapping is phenomenal. So let's go look at it. Voila, the Model 3 from Tesla. It's white, and we're wrapping it in this really nice pink color. I'll be honest, this thing looks like paint. I mean, you can see the gloss in it is really nice. Barely any orange peel. I've been working with it for about 10 hours. I wrapped the car. I wrapped these panels yesterday. It took about 10 hours in terms of cleaning, prepping, disassembly, all that. So I'm pretty proud of myself. I did a pretty good job considering I have the car for the whole week, but I'm mostly done with this side. Haven't started the fender because I got to remove the bumper and the headlights. I'm actually watching YouTube videos right now to figure that out, and that's the great thing about YouTube. You can just watch and learn instead of having, you know, whatever. So yeah, the color is really nice. This is done in 2 pieces. You can see the seam right there. That's just a safer way of doing it. If something ever fails, it's not that hard to redo. You could do it in 1 piece, I guess, but I'm not too experienced or have the time for it. For the most part, it looks pretty damn good. One thing I want to talk about is that it's white. So anyone that's into vinyl wrapping know that wrapping a white car is very difficult. You want to make sure that you get full coverage, that way you're standing and looking at the car, you don't see white underneath. So right away I do see a little bit of white underneath there, but I really can't get rid of that, to be honest with you, unless I might be able to put like a little black vinyl on that to cover that up. But for the most part, you want full coverage. Even in the door right here, you've seen some people actually put 1 layer of vinyl on, and they'll trim directly in the center and try to roll it in. You can't do it in this situation because the gap on this is about, I want to say 5 millimeters, and if you did that, there's not enough vinyl to cover it. You will see the white line. So I took the time and actually cleaned that up real nice and wrapped all the way in. Do I have it? Oh, there we go. You can see here I did a really good job wrapping that, making sure everything is fully covered. Even went further in on the door, because when it's closed, you want to be sure you don't really see too much white. Now you will see it in the door jamb, because I wasn't paid to do that, and I just think it would be too much work. Open up the back. Here's the rear end. Trying to follow that body line all the way down. It got a little tricky right here because the body line actually is way out here, and there was just too much pullback from the vinyl, so I actually trimmed it a little bit towards this side. But it doesn't matter. As you can see, when you close it, you don't see it at all, which is what I wanted. And same with the inside. I tucked it really nicely. Just all the cars that I've wrapped, I made sure that I did a really good job at using what I've learned from experience and videos online to really do the best that I possibly can. And you know, the work really shows. Like even here, you know, this can't come off because this is actually yeah, there we go, electric door. But you can see how clean the work is. And I'm just really proud of myself, to be honest with you. Even the corners look pretty damn good, you know, because I put a lot of time into it, and prep work and all, and just it really shows. And this really shows, or it really talks about how well you can improve your traits in vinyl wrapping and all of that. So yeah, anyway, this side is pretty much done. I might start taking the front bumper off and storing it over here for now, and then that way I can get to the fender and finish this side. Once I'm done with this side, I want to do the hood, and then I want to flip the car around and do the other side. That's the plan for the next couple of days. And the bumpers and the trunk is going to be last, because if you watch vinyl wrap videos on Tesla Model 3s. Those are the hardest things to do, and I'd rather take my time on that. So that's the plan for this car right now. I just want to give you guys a quick update on what I am doing recently. I'm gonna do another video on wrapping the fender and the door and stuff like that, so stay tuned for that. This is just a quick update of what's going on in this project. Vinyl wrapping is really fun to me, and hope you guys stick around to watch those videos. So peace.